This tutorial will show you how to add your agency to the Illinois Worknet site finder and then allow you to become a partner site. First thing you will need to do is either sign up for or log into your personal Illinois Worknet account. Once you are logged in, you'll see the brown ribbon that indicates that you are logged into your Illinois Worknet account. Click on the main menu, go to the Network and Connect section, and then click on the Illinois Worknet Service Finder. If you have searched for your organization and did not see it, you would want to click on this button that says Add or Edit Locations. By name or keyword, what kind of site it is, apply the filters and you'll get a list. And if you know that your organization isn't there, then you might want to just click on the Add a New Site. When the window pops up, they'll ask you to add the information just to make sure that someone else didn't add your site, maybe under a different name. I entered some information. I'm going to search. I don't see my site because there are no results, so I'm going to click that button. And it offers up terms of service for you to agree to. Click Next. Then it will ask you to complete some information. The basic information is, what does your organization provide as far as workforce development is concerned? Are you a work support referral or are you an Illinois Worknet partner? Enter information about your physical location. As you've entered information, continue on with your hours of operation, phone numbers, add a website, add a logo, and enter primary contact information. Then save and continue. Next step is to add any additional contacts. If there is nothing else to add, then move on to the next one. Do you have any social media URLs? If you do, then you want to add those URLs and what the next site is. Do you have any special programs? If you do, you want to click Add Program, add the information. Is it for Apprenticeship Illinois or is it for another type of program? And what county are you serving? Save and add another, or save and move on. You can add another program or you can click Next. What type of funding do you have available to you? Click All that apply and select your organization type. Save and continue. This location serves, check all that apply. Add any services. What services do you provide? You want to click next to any of the items that are applicable. Through all of these options, and are they available statewide or by county? Save and add more, or save. Then save and continue unless you want to add services for businesses. Now it's a preview of what will show publicly for your organization. Review everything and check the information, and when you're done with that, click Submit. And then you're back to the beginning where you can add another site if you have another site. We have instructions on the partner page that you can follow to add your agency to the service finder. At the end of the instructions, it tells you to send an email to info@illinoisworknet.com and include the following information. Reason for your email is, I would like to request an Illinois Worknet partner account. Your name as it appears in your Illinois Worknet account, the name of your organization as it appears in the Illinois Worknet Service Finder that you just added, the organization address and phone number. The office staff will review your request, confirm that your information is accurate, and then provide you with a partner account. If you found your organization in the Service Finder, then you can send an email to info@illinoisworknet.com and request to be added as a primary or secondary contact. We will upgrade your account to partner status for your organization.